You have to use logic to help you fit these pieces inside of the mouse tray. If we just start off by taking a couple pieces like this, we can link one more together over here, then we can link one more together up here. And now it looks like we're getting quite close to fitting these pieces into the tray. If we place one more piece in like this, we can use this piece over here on this side. Then we can take this piece and flip it in over here. But now we have two pieces left that won't really fit into the tray, and you'll come across a problem trying to fit all the pieces into the tray. This is the mouse puzzle, and the goal is just to pack all the pieces into the frame together. This is a level 7 difficulty on the Puzzle Master scale, which runs from 5 to 10, and the goal is just to be able to find a way to fit the mouse in the tray with all of the pieces of cheese. To get the mouse puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master, click that subscribe button. Now, to solve this puzzle, we have to think logically in order to be able to fit all of the pieces in the tray. There is going to be some level of trial and error as well in this puzzle in order to get all of the pieces to fit in the frame together. So instead of placing the mouse in the corner like this, because it has two very good sides for a corner, we're actually going to take it and we're going to place it in the puzzle just like this. Next, I need to take this piece, and you can see there are cuts on it that will fit some of these other cheese pieces perfectly together. But we're actually going to take this piece and place it up top and not line it up with any of the cuts, which may confuse you at first. Next, I'm going to need to take this piece with two bumps on this side, so one here and then one here. Next, I'm going to take this piece and place it in the corner over here. Next, I can take this piece with a bump on either side of the puzzle. Then we're going to take it and we're going to flip it in here. We can line it up perfectly with those two. Now, these last three pieces look pretty similar. They all just have one bump on the piece. Two of them have a bump where it sits in the center, and one has one where it sits off to the side. We're going to take this piece here with the bump in the center and three holes on it and place it in here just like this. Next, I actually need to take this piece out of the corner and place it in here. We're going to use it just like this. That leaves a perfect space to fit this piece in over here. And lastly, we can finally fit this piece into the tray to complete the mouse puzzle. To get the mouse packing puzzle for yourself, go click this link right here. And to see more fun puzzle solves like this, click this video right here.